Bonjour and welcome to French 1 with Mr. McCoy. This is lesson 26, dedicated to describing our classes. Now, our objective for this lesson is for you, at the end of the lesson, to be able to express an opinion in French of your classes. Now, you guys know already how to use the verb aimer to talk about school subjects in general. Okay? Got a good bit of practice in with that. You guys know, for example, if I ask, tu aimes l'anglais, for example? Tu aimes l'anglais? I'm asking, do you like English, as in the school subject in general. Tu aimes l'anglais? You guys know how to answer? Oui, j'aime l'anglais. Or non, je n'aime pas l'anglais. So we're going to go a step further. We'll go a bit beyond that today in this lesson. This doesn't really, so to speak, express an opinion. Okay, we're stating how we feel about it, but not really much else. So we're going to go a little bit further, add on to this in this lesson. Okay, so if I want to ask an opinion, I want to get your opinion of anything, but in school subjects or classes in specific. Our question is, comment tu trouves, and then the item. Okay, so if I want to know, how do you like English, or what do you think of English, or what's your opinion of English? The question is, comment tu trouves l'anglais? Comment tu trouves l'anglais? Comment tu trouves l'anglais? Or, I could ask you, comment tu trouves le cours d'anglais? Comment tu trouves ton cours d'anglais? Your English class. Or for example, if I knew you had English with Mrs. Smith, comment tu trouves le cours de Madame Smith? How do you like Miss Smith's English class? Okay? So again, this is asking for an opinion. Repeat with me. Comment tu trouves l'anglais? Comment tu trouves l'anglais? Comment tu trouves le cours d'anglais? Comment tu trouves ton cours d'anglais? Comment tu trouves le cours de Madame Smith? Okay? So again, we want to solicit an opinion. Comment tu trouves? Comment tu trouves? Okay? So, you want to answer? For example, to express a favorable opinion. Okay? You can use any of these adjectives here. You say, c'est génial. C'est génial. It's great. C'est super. C'est super. C'est intéressant. C'est intéressant. C'est cool. C'est cool. C'est passionnant. C'est passionnant. That means kind of a enjoyable, engaging, interesting, exciting. Okay. C'est facile. C'est facile. It's easy. C'est amusant. It's kind of like fun. Okay. C'est amusant. C'est fascinant. Okay. So repeat with me. These are all adjectives we can use to express a favorable opinion. Répétez après moi. C'est génial. C'est génial. C'est super. C'est super. C'est intéressant. C'est intéressant. C'est cool. C'est cool. C'est passionnant. C'est passionnant. C'est facile. C'est facile. C'est amusant. C'est amusant. C'est fascinant. C'est fascinant. Now, kind of express more or less indifference. It's not the greatest, not the worst, but not the greatest. Okay? You could say, ce n'est pas mal. Ce n'est pas mal. Bien ça va. Ça va. Or, the way we can moderate one of these adjectives which are favorable is to use the adverb assez. Assez. So for example, a class is kind of interesting. It's not bad, just kind of interesting. Use the adverb assez. Okay? So you can say, c'est assez intéressant. C'est assez intéressant. Okay? Again, that means it's kind of interesting. Okay? That makes sense. Alright? Again, make sure your nonverbal language matches what you're saying. Okay? Okay? Again, favorable. Comment tu trouves le cours de mathématiques? Ah, c'est génial, c'est génial. Okay? You wouldn't say, ah, c'est génial. No, that doesn't match. C'est génial, c'est génial. Comment tu trouves le cours de physique? Bon, c'est pas mal. Bien, c'est assez intéressant. Okay? And finally, class you might not like so much. Here are a couple of expressions we can use to express dislike or that we don't like it. Okay? C'est nul. C'est nul. C'est zéro. C'est zéro. C'est barbant. C'est barbant. Means it's boring. Bien. Ce n'est pas terrible. Ce n'est pas terrible. Ce n'est pas super. Ce n'est pas super. Bien. C'est difficile. C'est difficile. Again, just make sure when if I ask you about these, you want to kind of get into it, okay? C'est nul. C'est nul. You won't say, ah, c'est nul. C'est nul. No. C'est nul. Okay? Ce n'est pas terrible. Ce n'est pas super. Okay? And finally, you might also want to express an opinion at the same time of the teacher of the class. If I ask you about your chemistry class, okay? Comment tu trouves ton cours de chimie? Or, how's your art class? Comment tu trouves ton cours d'art? How's your music class? Comment tu trouves ton cours de musique? Okay, you might tell me, okay? C'est intéressant, c'est fascinant, c'est passionnant. You might want to add a word about the teacher, okay? So we're not going to go into too in depth with this, but just in passing, you could also mention et le professeur est, the teacher is, and here are a couple of, again, adjectives you could use. Now it turns out, we're going to talk about this soon, our adjectives in French have to agree in gender and number with the noun. That is, some teachers are, as you know, men, some are women. So it turns out we actually need to know masculine and feminine forms to describe people of different genders. But I'll keep this simple right now. The word le professeur actually is always masculine. The real word for, official word for teacher, le professeur, is masculine. Even if the teacher is a lady, you can still refer to le professeur. That actually simplifies things for us. You don't have to worry about the feminine forms of these. Okay? You say le professeur est sympa. Repeat. Sympa. Nice. Sympa. Intelligent. Intelligent. Drôle. Drôle. Funny. Spirituel. Oops. Spirituel. Sorry about that. Spirituel. Witty. Aimable. Aimable. Likeable. And patient. Patient. So again, repeat with me. Sympa. Intelligent. Drôle. Spirituel. Aimable. Patient. Okay? So again, I ask you, comment tu trouves ton cours de chimie? Comment tu trouves ton cours de chimie? You can tell me, ah, c'est passionnant. C'est passionnant. Et le professeur est intelligent. Give me a word about your opinion of the class and the teacher. Okay? La chimie, c'est fascinant. Et le professeur est intelligent. Or, comment tu trouves ton cours de musique? Ah, c'est amusant. Et le professeur est drôle. Okay? So forth. Alright? So I hope that makes sense. We'll practice a little bit this in class. You guys should know, again, if I ask you, tu aimes la chorale? Tu aimes la musique? Tu aimes la géométrie? Answer with j'aime or je n'aime pas such and such. Okay? But now, if I ask, or somebody else asks you, comment tu trouves la chorale? Comment tu trouves la danse? Comment tu trouves les mathématiques? There we're looking for an opinion. Okay? Alright, not j'aime or je n'aime pas, but c'est intéressant, c'est passionnant, c'est fascinant. Eh bien, ce n'est pas mal, ce n'est pas terrible. Okay? So we'll practice with this in class. Merci bien de votre attention. Bon courage, bonne chance, et au revoir.